Have you been annoyed by the Tspkg Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Terminal Services Security Package dependency and restore that missing file. Quickly resolve Tspkg library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Tspkg library. The Transport Security Package, Tspkg library, is a core component of the Windows Security Support Provider interface, SSPI. It manages the localized negotiation of secure credentials specifically for remote desktop services, RDS. It is responsible for the localized implementation of the Credential Security Support Provider, CredSSP, protocol, facilitating the secure delegation of user credentials from the client to the server during the initial handshake. If corrupted, localized Network Level Authentication, NLA, will fail, resulting in an internal error during RDP connection attempts. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because Tspkg Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Tspkg library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to re-initialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Replacing Tspkg library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Tspkg library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Tspkg library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.